Hi, I'm Tim with SharperTek, and I'm here today to demonstrate our face mask machine. Here at SharperTek, we've recognized that through this pandemic, the shortage of masks have impacted everybody in the country to such a degree that we've allocated our production capacity over to manufacturing, setting up, training, and getting everybody else set up and running to make these sort of masks. Today I'm not wearing a mask for the microphone's sake, but I'd like to show you how our face mask machine is very ideal to produce the 3-ply surgical masks. Check us out for automated cut mask machines as well as KN95 mask lines. All I have to do over here is press the run button. Thanks a lot for watching. Check us out for our other types of automated face mask equipment. Thank you very much.